Diagonal is gotten from the formula 2a square is equal to the diagonal squared. This is question 5 of IgweMatics challenge set 4. Possibly this is going to be the last challenge set. I'm tired of solving it in challenge set. I'm not going to be solving it randomly. Okay, now this question says that he gave us two areas. Remember, if you have a value in the center of the shape, that is going to be the area of that shape. If this pi was maybe by this side here, then this is going to be the length. But since pi is at the middle, it's the area of that shape. Now, so we have a quarter circle of area pi, we have a semicircle of area pi. We have to find the length of the square. Let's call that length y and l. So let's call this radius big R and this radius small r. Now, the first thing you need to know is the area of a the area of a full circle is pi r squared. We already know that. But the area of a semicircle, is equal to half pi r squared. For obvious reason, this is half of a circle, and the area of a quarter circle is equal to 1/4 pi r squared. Now, this is what we're going to use to get our big R and small r. So now the quarter circle has radius of big R, so let's change this to big R. Okay, we have the area of a semicircle is pi. So if we bring this down, pi is equal to 1/2 pi r squared. This is the area of the semicircle and is equal to half pi r squared. Pi will cancel out, leaving you with 1 is equal to half r squared. That means 2 is equal to r squared, and your r is equal to square root of 2. So let's write it down here. R is equal to square root of 2. Now let's find what big R is. Okay, big R is gotten from this. We know that the area of this quarter circle is equal to 1/4 pi big R squared. So pi, obviously like before, pi will cancel out, leaving you with 4 is equal to big R squared. So big R is equal to the square root of 4, which is equal to 2. Big R is equal to 2. So now, what are we going to use this information for in solving for the length of our square? Now, what you have to do is, first of all, if you look at this shape, this is going to be the midpoint of this semicircle. So if I draw a line down here, this is going to give me 90 degrees. The reason why it's 90 degrees is because of this line, this length here is the tangent to this semicircle. So here, this angle that is going to form here is a 90 degree. If I draw another line over here, it's going to form another set of 90 degrees. Now, you can already see a shape forming. This is going to be a square. If I have a diagonal to this square, and I add it to the radius of this quarter circle, we will have the diameter of this bigger square, and we can get our length of the shape, our length of square.